Ken Russ with Enterprise Aquatics. Today we want to talk to you about why you want to use aquaponics in your classroom to teach students both about STEM and also about agri-science subjects. Now, aquaponics is the combination of recirculating aquaculture, where you're growing fish and you're using filtration to recirculate that water in a contained system. We're going to combine that with hydroponics, where you're growing plants without soil. So the combination of that system is synergistic. The plants are filtering the water for the fish are providing the nutrients for the plants. The bottom line on why you want to use that in the classroom is it creates a great deal of interest and excitement in young people. There's a system in Baton Rouge, and they have a garden club that's gone from 13 members to 30 members after they've installed and operated an aquaponics system. Also, at the same school, they have a survey that they do with the students. The increase in agriculture as a particular career option has gone from very low up to 80% of the students after they're leaving high school are considering a career in agriculture or agriculture-related sciences. When they see the system working together, it's a great deal of nature on display. You can both look at the top of the plant, but you can also view the roots down below. You can observe microbial action, taking the nutrients and converting them into more useful nutrients for the plants and detoxifying them for the fish. And all of this working together helps students learn science, technology, math, animal husbandry, engineering, technology that they wouldn't have approached before, because they have such a high level of interest and excitement when they see this going on in their classroom.